Very much for that. And Ambuja Cement will report their Q4 numbers. Nigel is with us.
Well, that's right. We'll keep an eye on Ambuja Cements, and what will be new in these numbers will be the standalone part of the business. But most of the street have given the consolidated numbers. Why do I say the standalone numbers will be the new part of the business? Because we already have numbers coming in from ACC as well as Sanghi, which will be incorporated in their consolidated numbers. Nonetheless, in terms of the numbers, the expectations on a consolidated basis, 9,900 crores is what we're looking at in terms of the top line. The EBITDA number should come in at around 1,600 crores ballpark, which on a sequential basis will show a big jump because Q3 was an absolute washout. The margins as well should scale to close to mid-teens. That compares with sub 10% margins that they delivered last time around. The important factors to track, how are the inorganic acquisitions moving around? That's the Sanghi Industry acquisition, the Penna Cement acquisition as well, and what's the path that they're laying out there. The growth on the top line will be led by volumes, and volumes are estimated to grow by around 15 to around 19%, primarily led by inorganic growth. Blended realization should decline on a year-on-year basis, though on a sequential basis will spike up by close to 2 to around 3%, though the costs will decline. Remember, in Q3, you had a one-off high maintenance cost, which this time around will not be there. The profit number, well, we'll see a bit of a restriction in terms of growth, because there'll be higher depreciation costs. For these companies that have already, delivered parts of their business, the commentary is most important. And for Ambuja Cements as well, will be important to hear how they see pricing, demand, as well as how they integrating the inorganic growth. Back to you guys.